Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video on the tickers we looked at this morning. Here's your daily chart of Walgreens. Here's a 10-minute chart of Walgreens. Now, before I get into the trades, just wanted to make sure you guys are trading with a trading plan. Please make sure you have a plan for yourself. This market, it's very easy to get turned around if you don't have a plan to follow. So that's the not so secret. Have a trading plan. If you want me to talk about anything or go over anything, make a comment in this video and I will be sure to make a video on that topic. Okay, so let's look at the tickers. This morning I said Walgreens was going to go lower. I was looking for the stock to go lower. This is the 10-minute chart. Walgreens opened up and just flushed out really quickly, set up, and then just did a nice bleed all day. I did not take the trade. However, it worked out very well. Six Flags actually gapped down huge and it flushed out again. So I was thinking that this was actually going to be bought up, and then it actually didn't. The position didn't trigger until here when you got this igniting bar, and then again it didn't really make that much money, but this was too late for me. I was already done and done with my day, so I didn't take that setup. BBBY gapped to the middle of this previous bar. I was looking for it to set up short again. It just took forever to set up, and once it set up, it got a bottom and tail, and you didn't make any money. So my actual trade that I took was Boeing. Boeing actually was choppy. I was talking about it this morning, thinking maybe it wasn't going to set up, but I was looking at these two top and tails, and I wanted the stock to go lower, and it performed for me. It was actually just an easy, beautiful trade. It set up. I got short right in here at the 335.60 area, and the stock just bled out. I took some profits, took more profits in here. It did do a setup in here for an afternoon play. However, I was already done with my day, so Boeing actually made my day for me. Again, if you have any questions or you want me to talk about something, put it in the comments and I will be sure to reach out to you one-on-one or make a video about it. But again, I cannot stress how important it is for you guys to have a trading plan if you are out there trading, whether it's swing trading, long-term trading, investing in anything you do. Make sure you have a plan. I'll talk to you guys soon.